In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find inconsistent data in Excel. To get started, you will first choose the exact area of the spreadsheet that you want to check. Look at your worksheet and identify the rows or columns where the data is located. For example, you might have a small list of values in cells A2 through A6, and you want to confirm that everything there is consistent. When you are ready, click and drag to select that range, such as A2 to A6. Make sure the selection includes all the cells you want to compare, because Excel will only check what is inside the highlighted range. Once the range is selected, the next step is to open the Go To dialog box. This is a fast way to access special tools that can automatically select cells based on certain conditions. Press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. As soon as you press it, the Go To window should appear on your screen. Take a moment to confirm that the window is open before you continue, since this is where the next option lives. Now that the Go To dialog box is visible, you will click the Special button. The Special option is important because it lets you tell Excel what kind of cells you want it to find. Move your mouse to the button labeled Special and click it. After you click it, Excel will open a new panel with several selection options. This panel controls the exact rule Excel will use to identify inconsistent or mismatched items. In the Special selection options, you need to choose row differences or column differences, depending on how your data is arranged. If your information is organized vertically across rows, select row differences. If you are comparing data horizontally across columns, choose column differences instead. For many typical datasets, selecting row differences is the right choice because Excel will compare items row by row within the selected area. Once you have selected the correct option, go ahead and click OK. At this point, Excel will automatically select all cells that match the inconsistency rule you chose. This is the key moment of the process, because you can now visually see exactly which cells are inconsistent compared to the rest of the range. Do not worry if the selection highlights multiple spots. That is normal, and it means Excel is doing its job. Spend a few seconds reviewing the highlighted cells to confirm they match what you expected to find. After Excel highlights the inconsistent data, you may want to make the results easier to spot and easier to review later. With those cells still selected, switch to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. The Home tab contains common formatting tools, including ways to apply color. Click the Home tab and then look for the Fill Color option. Next, click Fill Color and choose a bright color to highlight the inconsistent cells. Selecting a bright color helps the differences stand out immediately, especially if you need to share the spreadsheet or review it later. You can pick any bright color that you like, as long as it contrasts well with the existing sheet formatting. Once you choose the color, Excel will fill the inconsistent cells, making them stand out clearly. Now you have completed the process of locating and highlighting inconsistent data in Excel. You selected a specific range, used the Go To Special feature to automatically find differences, and then applied a clear fill color so the inconsistent cells are easy to recognize. And that covers everything you need to know.